Hello students, in last lecture we studied elimination reaction and we just started to learn reactions of haloarenes. Under this heading we studied the first reaction, that is the reaction of haloarene with metals. So today we are going to study nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. So alkyl halides are less reactive towards substitution reaction by nucleophile, and it is due to resonance effect. It is due to resonance effect, and the second factor is sp2 hybridized state of carbon. Once again I am going to repeat the sentence. Alkyl halides are less reactive towards substitution reaction by nucleophile, and the reason behind it is due to resonance effect and the sp2 hybridized state of carbon atom. In alkyl halide, the lone pair of electrons of halogen atom the lone pair of electrons of halogen atom is in conjugation with pi electrons of the ring. For example, following different resonating structures can be written for chlorobenzene. So resonating structure first, resonating structure second, third and fourth. Resonating structure second, third and fourth shows double bond character between sp2 hybridized carbon atom and halogen atom. The carbon chlorine bond in chlorobenzene, the carbon chlorine bond in chlorobenzene is stronger and shorter than carbon chlorine bond in chloroalkanes. The carbon chlorine bond or the carbon chlorine bond length in chlorobenzene, it is about 169 picometer, while the carbon chlorine bond in chloroalkanes, it is about 178 picometer. Thus here the bond length is shorter and this bond it is stronger one. Hence it is difficult to break this bond. Thus nucleophilic substitution reaction in haloalkenes proceeds with difficulty. However, presence of certain groups at certain positions of ring activates halogen of aryl halide toward substitution. So once again I am going to repeat it. Nucleophilic substitution reaction in haloarcane proceeds with difficulty. However, presence of certain groups at certain position of ring activates halogen of alkyl halide towards substitution. For example, if strong electron withdrawing, if strong electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho and para position of aryl halides, then it undergoes nucleophilic displacement or substitution reaction. So if strong electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho or para position of aryl halide, then it undergoes nucleophilic displacement reaction. So greater the number of electron withdrawing groups, at ortho and para position, then greater is the reactivity. So to understand this concept, let's study following examples. See the first example. So here para-nitrochlorobenzene, when it is reacted with sodium hydroxide, and when reaction is carried out at temperature 433 Kelvin, it gives para-nitrophenol. Then in the second reaction, here two electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho and para position. Then here temperature required for this reaction, it is only 403 Kelvin. Here only one electron withdrawing group is present at para position, and here the temperature required, it is the 433 Kelvin, and here two electron withdrawing groups are present. So here reaction takes place easily. So here 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene, it is easily gets converted into 2,4-dinitrophenol due to the presence of two electron withdrawing groups at ortho and para position. Then see next reaction. So in 2,4,6-trinitrochlorobenzene, three electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho and para position. That's why this compound, on just warming with water, it produces 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. So here the reactivity of this compound, it is greater because all ortho and para position are occupied by the electron withdrawing groups. So we will stop here. Thank you.